I am Khori Newlander. I'm a professor of anthropology at Kutztown University. My students and I were invited to come to Joanna Furnace by Ron Schlegel and the Hay Creek Valley Historical Association to conduct some excavation in the basement of the general store. The general store is an original structure at this ironworks. The artifacts my students and I are recovering from our excavation in the general store will be analyzed by my Pennsylvania archaeology class. Both the field work we're doing today and the artifact analysis we'll carry out in class provide my students with real examples of doing archaeology, provides them opportunities to really get their hands dirty, to work with pieces of the past and to try to figure out what it means. And that's the significance for me as a professor to bring these opportunities to my students.
We have a group of Kutztown University students here this weekend doing some archaeology work inside our office store. Actually, they're working in the cellar. We have the store totally restored. It's basically a living museum of the way a store would have looked between 1800 and say 1898. And currently we're working in the cellar because that's the next phase of our restoration project for this particular building.